Hi, and welcome back to the fourth episode of Space News of the Week. This week, I've got some pretty incredible stories. Stars that feast on their planets, the first close-up image of a star outside the Milky Way, and how the James Webb Space Telescope just revisited one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. So let's get right into it. First, stellar cannibalism. Recent research from Northwestern and Cornell suggests that up to a third of Sun-like stars may have consumed some of their planets. Astronomers have been studying conatal stars, those born from the same molecular clouds, and found unexpected differences in their metallicities. In astrophysical nomenclature, any elements heavier than hydrogen and helium are considered metals, and there is no conceivable way that these stars would have these metal contents given their young ages. These discrepancies are likely due to these stars engulfing rocky planets, enriching themselves with elements like iron and lithium. Ultra-short period planets, which orbit their stars in just a few hours, are particularly vulnerable to being swallowed. Next, history is in the making with a star outside of our galaxy. Astronomers have taken the first close-up image of WOH G64, a red supergiant in the Large Magellanic Cloud. At 160,000 light-years away, it's the closest detailed look we've ever gotten at a star beyond the Milky Way. The Very Large Telescope in Chile, yes, that's the actual name, captured the star surrounded by a massive egg-shaped cloud of gas and dust, which hint it's nearing the end of its life. Here's an artist's rendition of what the star would look like up close. Supernova watchers, this one's worth keeping an eye on. And finally, a cosmic double check. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe was expanding. 70 years later, the Hubble telescope reconfirmed the accuracy of his calculations. More recently, the James Webb Telescope confirmed the Hubble Space Telescope's measurement of the Hubble constant. Webb measured light from the Cepheid variable stars and Type I supernovae to back up Hubble's value, around 72.6 kilometers per second per megaparsec. There is a problem though, the Hubble tension. Measurements of the cosmic microwave background suggest a slightly slower expansion rate around 67 kilometers per second per megaparsec, and it seems that the more accurate the newer readings become, the more they start to deviate from the CMB predictions. But what's new? We've never truly understood the universe, have we? That's it for this week's episode of Space News of the Week. Thank you for tuning in, and in the meantime, stay curious, keep looking up, and I'll see y'all next time.